Alerts is a nice feature, but what if we want the postings in real time? Let's do that. Since Craigslist is protected by JavaScript, we need Selenium. We need beautiful soup. In this video, we are looking for iPhones. This will be our URL. We need something to keep track on all the postings. This list will be our memory. Within a while true loop, we add some options to Selenium. This first option is to enable JavaScript. The second option is to keep it running in the background. Then we call the Selenium WebDriver. And for this to work, be sure that you have installed the WebDriver for Chrome, and you can find it, for example, by just Googling. You Google WebDriver Chrome and it's the first one. We ask our WebDriver to download the URL and we give it some time to breathe. And we need to import. Then we add the entire page to HTML and we make it soup. We just take a standard parser. Let's see if this is working. Here it is, the whole web page, perfect. After converting the web page to beautiful soup, we are able to use find all. And now we need to consider which elements we want to find, and it should be these different postings that we are looking for. So we open the console and well, this is the whole page. Now we are trying to identify the division for each of the elements. Here is some kind of list, and this looks good. This looks better. Here we have the price, we have the title, and we have the whole box. So it's this one, gallery card. The division is gallery card. So we do like this, soup dot find all div cross is card. What happened here? Perfect. This will be like a type of list, so we are able to loop through it. Let's see if this works. Yeah, here is gallery card, so this is one of them. Here's another one. It's kind of difficult to see, but I think we got it. For each posting, I would say we extract the title and we extract the price, and the whole idea is to keep it coming in our console. We start with the title. We reuse this one. And since it's only one, we change find all to find. Let's see if we can identify the title. It should be this one. A class title string is what we are looking for. So A class title string. Next, we take the price. Let's see, span class price info $500 should be this one. So span class price info. Let's try if this works. Before printing, we add also .text because we want only the text to be printed, not the whole division. Okay, it throws an error on the price info. And I think it could be, yes, these two don't have any price, so most likely they don't have this division. Let's do like this then. If this one is not none, then we take it, else we set price to, well, not available. Let's try again. We got all the... It would be nice also to see the time. We print time. Not forget our memory. This one will store the ones we have already seen, because if we don't use this one, it's gonna print out all the postings each time we do the scraping. Finally, we quit the driver to make it a new session for each run. And we set the interval. Now I'll take it 15 minutes. we make it a bit nicer here. Okay, and it's done. Let's try it. Yeah. This is the fast forward version, and we see that it returns only the latest postings if we update the site. We have an iPhone 5S for $35, which is this one. Feel free to add whatever functionality you want on this, and that's it.